Do not know. Maybe they think I'm pregnant. Let me do a decluttering video while I declutter. Typed in decluttering.
It's something else, babe.
It's a little bit different.
Say this a little bit different. There will be decluttering. That's actually a perfect title.
Imagine.
Decluttering.
Oh, it was a mistake. No, it wasn't. You all these people have too much stuff, eh? Sure. Maybe I'm a bag lady. Because I have a lot of bags. Does this item bring me joy? Hey guys, today is a decluttering video. I have done these before when we moved into this smaller apartment. So if you want to see more on our minimalist journey and kind of how we've decluttered to move into a smaller place, because we lived in a 4-bedroom apartment and now we live in a loft apartment, just the two of us. So it's my husband and I. If you're new to my channel, this is the first video you've seen from me, welcome. Subscribe if you want to see more, click the bell button, all of those things, leave a comment. Now we've done the spiel. But yeah, I like to live with less. My cupboard is currently like bursting. You can see that there's stuff coming out. I've done this decluttering thing before, as I said, and I feel like I've just gotten back to having a lot of stuff, a lot of unnecessary stuff that I don't wear, and I just think it's important to just do this quite often. I haven't done my summer winter switch up in my closet because we are going to America. So I still have winter stuff in my closet and I have summer stuff because I knew I needed to keep some winter stuff so that I could take it to America. Closet decluttering in the hopes of selling some stuff on Instagram, which you guys probably would have already seen, and then also donating some stuff, so give that to charity, or even give it to my mom and give it to family that needs it. Or I've actually done this before, I've given like bags and bags of clothing to a girl's home. So I might do that. It's called St. Michael's and it's in Plumstead. So if you want to do that, you can. I've rambled for 2.5 minutes already, but yeah. And then I'll have like a keep pile, obviously. So that's stuff that I've been wearing, that I will wear, that I see myself wearing. And my goal is, if I haven't worn it in the last 6 months, or if I didn't wear it last winter or last summer, then I'm probably not going to wear it this winter or summer. And also, I'm not hanging on to things that don't fit me as like my goal items. I have my trusty iced coffee here to keep me going. I have a little less than 30 minutes, and I'm thinking that I'm just gonna not pull everything out. Only with certain things I'll do that, but I think we should start with the hanging stuff. Let me introduce you to my very full closet. So this is what we're working with. I've got hanging stuff, which is overflowing, and then I've got extra things like hats, scarves, beanies, things that I can't really reach, and I don't reach for that often because I'm very short, so I actually can't like really get to the back of the closet. And then underwear, costumes, socks, all that kind of stuff, t-shirts, pajamas, and activewear. You can't see it. And then down there, down here, shoes, more shoes in the back. It's bad. It's really bad, like really bad. I think I'm gonna move you in a little bit closer just so that we can, here I am, focus on me, focus on me. I'm gonna move you in a little bit closer so that you can see exactly what I'm doing and like sifting through and you can hear me properly. I also have more clothing back there. So we've got like a little storage space that's covered by a mirror. The mirror is not covering it right now, which is why it's out of shot. And I need to clear out that stuff as well and go through that stuff. But for right now, I'm thinking we just do the hanging stuff because that's what I use on the daily. Let's do it. I can do this. It's gonna be fine. I'm definitely keeping this coat. I love it. Let me pull it out. I love this. I bought it this year from H&M. It's a beauty. I'm definitely keeping it. This one, on the other hand, I think I could give away or sell. I can't go through everything, but I'm gonna go through little bits. This one, I love this jacket. I got it for our wedding. Blown out because the jacket is black, but that's what it looks like. And it's from Cotton On, for so many of you that have asked. And I love it, but it doesn't fit me properly. Like, it's too tight on my arms, and I feel like a little snowman, just like moving around like this because my arms literally can't bend. And I keep it for styling videos because I use it in my styling videos, but it doesn't make sense because I can't wear it outside of the house. There's no circulation to my arms. So that is definitely, very sadly, a sell. Played the game, you played your part. I don't know if if I love it. Like, I haven't worn it in the last few months since I got those other two blazers, and I feel like it's a little bit too short. I'm not gonna keep this one. So this is something I'm getting annoyed about with this closet, is I constantly have to do this number to like get to things, and that's how I know it's way too full. So I want to be able to see everything and have it spaced out nicely, and I'll have to like do that like shoving motion to get something out. Okay, resume time lapse. I think I've cleared out a good amount. Literally, if you look at that, that's not too bad, and that's like summer and winter stuff in there. So there's a lot of jerseys, but a lot of these I bought this year because I've had a thing with jerseys and they're great. So these I've gotten recently and I really love them. I'm actually kind of on the fence about this one. I like it, but I think I'd like it in a different color. Yeah, I'm not certain. Like you know, like more, less of like a baby blue and more of like a sage green, or even like a gray or beige, even though I have a lot of beige and gray knits here. But I think that's in the to go or to sell pile. So I just have a couple of things. I don't think this is excessive by any means. I am pretty proud of this. I mean, if you look at the height of that, there's a lot in that pile. That's a good amount of stuff. Go me. And there's so many more of those things that I love, but they just don't fit 100% perfect, and I'd rather have clothes that I can wear all the time. But yeah, this is just the hanging stuff. That looks pretty good to me. So inevitably I'm going to come back from America with a couple of things, not too many, because we're definitely going to be reserved on the buying front. But like, I don't think this is too bad. I like the color palette. This blue irks me though, even though I really like wearing it in the like the field of not so bright colors. It kind of gets to me. But anyway, let's start with something manageable up here. Hats, beanies, scarves. I have two scarves, but yeah. And let's take this guy off. It's getting hot in here. I have 3 scarves. That's a lot of hats for one person to wear, and I haven't worn them in a while. Let's go through them. This I know I love. Keep. Oh, I do not know. I have this hat in the blue as well, and then the army. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I really like that. That looks really nice with my light hair. Oh, but not a little elf ear. It's a look though, hey? Now it's like 20 to 4. I was supposed to sleep at 4:30. I need to go and get my international driver's license. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll be back and try and do some more closet decluttering, because I cannot live like this with all the stuff on the bed. So yeah, I'll be back soon. We can carry on, and then I'm going out for dinner tonight, so we'll have to probably do this over like 2 days maybe. Let's see how it goes. So I've gotten back from doing all my errands. I have poured myself a G&T. Looks like water, not water. It's delicious. I just felt like I needed a little something, and I'm enjoying it. Let's ignore this beautiful line on my forehead. I was wearing this cap while I was trying to decide which ones I should give away. I ended up with keeping all of these, which is majority. I'm literally just selling one. Do you think I should keep both of these? Like, you remember seeing my gray fedora and my black fedora? Yes. Do you even know what a fedora is?
Yes, I had.
Do you think I should keep both of them?
I think it'll be quite cool for America actually.
Because I'm trying to declutter, but I'm trying to decide if I need to have both.
Well, can you wear it with any outfit?
Yeah, because the one is grey and the one's black.
Then yes, keep them.
But I'm also asking the wrong person, because you're a little bit of a hoarder, aren't you?
No, if you think that it's in style and you can make it work, then use it.
Okay, beanies.
Definitely keep.
Oh, and this page boy hat. Do you remember this one?
Hmm?
This one. This is the one.
Show me. I like that on you.
Did you like it?
Looks Parisian.
Parisian. I felt like I looked like a bus driver.
Okay, well, then salad.
We're gonna go back to doing the time lapse because otherwise it's gonna be a very good video. I think I have too many t-shirts, eh? But I still have less than you do.
So that's how you judge whether...
Yeah, whether it's bad or not, or whether it's like completely excessive. It's like, does Sean have more? Yes, I'm fine.
See, you need gripping titles there. Imagine if you said, I had a baby in prison.
But I didn't have a baby and I haven't been to prison, so...
So why don't
that would be a lie.
You just say in Sims?
I don't think you can go to prison in Sims.
That would be funny if you could.
I would definitely let my sim go to prison if I could. I'm getting some weird things on here. College student finds out she's pregnant.
Why are you getting all the pregnancy stuff?
I don't know, eh? I do not know. Maybe they think I'm pregnant. Let me do a decluttering video while I declutter. Typed in decluttering.
It's something else, babe.
It's a little bit different.
That is a little bit different. There will be decluttering. Actually, you know what? That's a perfect title.
Imagine.
Decluttering.
Oh wow. You these people have too much stuff, eh? Sure. Does this item bring me joy? So this is how I've ended up packing my cupboard. I like to go in color order just so that I know what I'm like. I know I've got my dark stuff here, my light stuff here. We can move on to pajamas and workout stuff. This stuff I haven't used in like how long? Months. Where did you pull those out from?
Flip, now I'm on the camera. No man.
Were you on there with the other one?
I think so. Man. You can't. No.
It's a hazard of living with me.
Oh, they don't live here.
We'll see. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I'll get more views. Maybe I can clickbait and be like, naked husband.
Well, I wasn't naked.
Naked husband decluttering.
Semi now. Decluttering whilst naked.
Okay, we're going to dinner. So I will pick this up tomorrow morning.
Leaving in 5 minutes.
Hook area. Okay. Okay. Bye. I'm gonna go eat some pasta.
So dark, I can heal it in the brain, it's fine.
Hey guys, it's Saturday morning and we are moving on to round 2 of closet decluttering. I don't have any makeup on. Well, I've done my brows because they're excessively unruly. Anyway, so we're gonna do shoes now. I'm gonna be very cutthroat because I've got way too many at the moment. And then we'll also do the section behind this mirror. I will unearth everything behind that mirror. You guys are gonna be shocked at how much is back there, but don't tell anyone. I mean, you guys can see we're all family here, but like there's something else back there. I've got my cleaning stuff because as much as like these sections didn't have any dust, my shoe section is disgusting because our apartment is like a magnet for dust. So I'm gonna sort out what's in here and also clean. It's a good time to give it a clean. I'm also gonna pop my Tom mesh back on and get going on this insane section. This is the keep pile, so not going too well on the keep side. There's a lot there, but they are genuine favorites.
From the start, had my head, you had my heart. All you're looking for is me.
Okay, and this is the minefield behind the mirror, so I've got a good little cover there. All up top here is stuff. Let's not talk too much about this. This is the section we actually need to tackle, and it's looking pretty shoddy. This is stuff that I need to sell. I've already decided I need to sell it. Kind of still, actually I do need to sell those, I've just realized. And then I have some extra bedding and towels, like our summer towels, which I really love. This is Sean's leftover like winter stuff, which he actually hasn't brought out for winter. And then I'm pretty sure back here, yep, I have more summer stuff that's kind of tucked away. And this is our electric blanket, so I need to take out this basket and this one and go through that. And then I think we should also actually go through bags, because I have a lot of them at the moment, and these are extra products. And more over here. Oh, it's really bad. And then down here, since we're here, we may as well, this is kind of like extra storage. Those I chucked there last night because I went through everything. So yeah, let's take these guys out. Oh my gosh, can I do this one-handed? Am I asking for trouble? I feel like I'm asking for trouble. Everything on this bed is to sell. Wow. Maybe I'm a bag lady, because I have a lot of bags. Result. I am happy with this. There's space between everything, like the hangers, and I've sort of color coordinated this. So I've got my coat over here, my two blazers, and then I've got my denim jacket, shirts. So one blue shirt, this is kind of like a shirt jacket kind of vibe, it's a hybrid, white shirt, and then into knits. Because I have these two bright colors, they don't sort of go, but it's fine. And then this fades really nicely from like here. Oh, makes me very happy. And then I've got my dungarees and my formal pants, jeans, white. I've got midi skirts in there. I've got two on each hanger just to like save space. And then I've got my long H&M skirt, which I love. And then it goes into dresses. So I've got, these are all midi dresses. This is also midi dress, more into like summer strappy dresses. So that's the vibe over there. And I've got some extra hangers as well. They're all looking very nice. I like the vibe. It's clean. There was so much dust back there, but also I've sorted these into kind of color order. So like black, and then black boots, snakeskin, and then just my running shoes, my training shoes, and then into white. Over this side is everyday kind of run around trainers, my brogues, which I love. There's like a soft leather. This is actually what I wear majority of the time. Trainers, boots, and then this is kind of like extra stuff that I do wear but just not as often. Sandals, heels at the back, run around shoes, Havaianas, and my espadrilles. And then up here is pajamas. So I've got scarves back there because, as I said, I'm going to America, so I'm going to use those when I pack, but when I get back it'll probably be more summery here, so I can put those behind the cupboard. And then I've got beanies that I don't wear as often, more the beanies that I reach for, and then pajamas. I've actually taken out quite a bit here, and a lot of that was kind of just charity stuff because pajamas just, I don't have nice pajamas. And I said to Sean when I was going through everything that I need to get some new pajamas because these are all a bit interesting. This shelf, I have costumes back there, like bathing costumes, because I don't really have a space for them here with my underwear. I haven't actually sorted out my underwear and my socks yet. I need to do that still. In my bras, they're piling up. I didn't want to put them with the bras and the panties because it was just overflowing, so I've got like bikinis here and then full costumes on this side. And then in the front I've just got t-shirts in color order, so that's actually long and short sleeve t-shirts. I've just put them together. And then underwear, socks, bras, belts, and then sports bras, and back there is like hats and caps. So there's a lot back there because I'll probably wear the caps when I'm exercising, so that makes sense. I actually might move these hats. There we go, because then I can see all my caps. I've got my workout stuff here. So yeah, I think it's looking really good, really neat. Basically have what I need and what I wear often, and there's no excess because it's just not necessary, but I like it.